Today we're going to go over 10 awesome resources to get royalty-free music for your YouTube videos so you can add some professional quality songs to your videos to make your viewer stay on your video longer and keep them interested. So 8 out of these 10 resources are free. So you're going to be able to get these songs for free, and you're allowed to use them on any YouTube video as long as you give credit to the artist. Usually that's what I always do. If it's free under Creative Commons, just give credit to the artist in the website in your video description. But you can use all these for monetized videos as well. So if you want to monetize your videos that have these songs on them, then you can do that. So it doesn't matter if it's monetized or not monetized, you can use these without worrying about any copyright infringement whatsoever. So let's start off with the first and most convenient resource for YouTubers is YouTube's own audio library. So if you go to youtube.com/audio library, they have all these different songs that you can add to your videos completely for free, and it's built right into YouTube, and you can download these and put them on any video that you want. YouTube didn't used to have this feature, but they realized that royalty-free music is a huge deal on YouTube, so they wanted to offer it to YouTubers. That is a great resource just to start off with. So go on there, as long as you're signed into YouTube, youtube.com/audio library, it'll take you right to this page. The only thing I don't like about it is you can't fast forward through the song. You have to either download it or just play it and let it play through to see what it sounds like. So that is a good resource though. While we're still on YouTube, there are a couple channels that offer royalty-free music. One is called No Copyright Sounds, youtube.com/no copyright sounds. They have some cool like hip hop, electro beats that you can put in your videos. So if you're into that kind of thing, No Copyright Sounds YouTube channel is a great resource for that kind of music. Another one is AudioPad. AudioPad also has royalty-free music, but they have a whole bunch of different genres and different sounds and all kinds of different songs for you to use for free. You can download any of these songs that AudioPad and No Copyright Sounds upload to their channel. So check out those, AudioPad and No Copyright Sounds. Those are YouTube channels. The next one is called Incompetech. That's at incompetech.com. It's this one guy named Kevin. He's been offering these songs for years. This is the first site I ever used back in like 2009. When I wanted some royalty-free music, I went straight to here. This was the most popular, and it still is one of the most popular sites to get royalty-free music from. It's completely for free. I like the way his website is laid out. You can go in here and check the genre and just tick the boxes of the feel. If you wanted a calming or a dark one or eerie or epic or grooving, all kinds of stuff, and you can search, and it'll give you a list of all the royalty-free music that you can download for free and use in your videos. So that's incompetech.com. Another website that is run by one guy, I think, this guy's name's Jason, it's audionautics.com, and it's very similar to Incompetech. So you can see the genres and the mood, and it's got that same layout. You can check these boxes and then search for the music and find tracks that you want to use in your videos. So that is another great website, audionautics.com, royalty-free music for us YouTubers. Another one is joshwoodward.com, and of course this is run by Josh Woodward. And this is more if you're looking for more acoustic guitar or pop rock stuff. He does all of this by himself, and you can use any of these tracks for free. Just link back to his site, give him credit. And another site that is run by a single individual is bensound.com. I never used this myself, but I've heard this is one of the most popular, and he does make some pretty good tracks. I listen to him. And a huge shout out to these different artists that are making these tracks available for us YouTubers for free. So try to support them as much as possible. I try to support them as much as I can because they're doing a great thing and providing us with free music for our videos. Another awesome resource for royalty-free music is Purple Planet. They have paid and free, so if you want to just browse the free, you can do that. And they've got some pretty cool tracks. I've used one of these songs in one of my videos because I liked it so much I couldn't pass it up, and I forgot all about this site for the longest time. I couldn't remember the name of it, but I found it again, and I'm glad I did. I bookmarked that. So Purple Planet, that's purple-planet.com. And these last two sites that I'm going to mention are if you want to pay for more professional, higher quality, and a bigger selection of royalty-free music. The first one is at Audio Jungle. So if you go to channelempire.com/Audio Jungle, it'll take you straight to this website, and you can get royalty-free tracks for as low as $1 per track. And they have a huge selection. They're one of the most popular royalty-free music websites. And the last one is one of my favorite sites that I just discovered recently. It's MusicBed. And I love the way this website's laid out. They have some awesome artists on here, some very talented artists, great tracks, especially for more cinematic feels. If you have a more cinematic video, MusicBed is definitely something to check out. And their website is beautiful, it's laid out, and you can register for free, and you can preview full songs for free, and they got a great player. It's just an awesome website for music for your videos. All right, guys, so that wraps up my top 10 awesome resources for royalty-free music for your YouTube videos.